Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's for Far Cry New Dawn on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up a few days ago. Haven't had a chance to play it yet, but really looking forward to playing it, so especially in co-op. So as you can see on the front there, you've got two twins. They're the bad guys in this game apparently, or the bad women even. So yeah. And we also have the side and the back. Welcome to the new natural order. So this takes place 17 years after Far Cry 5, and spoiler, everybody got nuked. So yeah, says that. Install size is up to 21 gig. And it's Xbox One X enhanced, 4K Ultra HD and high dynamic range. And then inside we have an advert for Far Cry 5, and we have the disc. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Far Cry New Dawn on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now guys, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.